Hey guys, it's Brian back again here with Hostirian. Today's topic will be about what is the Google 3-pack. I've been talking to a few different people, and surprisingly enough, some people don't know what the 3-pack is. And I bet you do know what it is. You probably just didn't know what the name of it was. Some people call it a snack pack. It's got a bunch of different names, right? But that Google 3-pack is that little section at the top where it has three businesses, right, that are near you. Okay, now that pops up when you're looking for something. All right, so say you're looking for food near me, or a gym near me, or hospital near me, or whatever the case may be. When you say something near me, it's going to pinpoint your location and look at spots near you. Okay, now for my small business owners, that's the Holy Grail. That's where you want to be at, for tons of different reasons. All right, so today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about a few different reasons of why that's so important to be there and how it benefits your business. Okay, so let's just start at the very top. When you're in that Google 3-pack, it's instant visibility. Okay, because not only on the first page of Google, you're in this little section here that people just automatically draw themselves to, right? So it's almost like an edification through Google, right? Like you're literally getting vouched by Google. And basically, I don't want to say Google runs the world, but Google kind of runs the world. So to have that vouched by Google is a great look for your business, okay? Then another reason here, moving along. Now, not in any particular order, we're just going to keep rolling through these reasons. Reason number two is that when you're there, people are looking for the researcher business, and the information they need is right there, easy peasy, right? So you'll have the stars that you have, you'll have your ranking that you have, you'll have your reviews right there, you'll have your pictures that people have uploaded from the product or your service and having a great time. These are all things that people are looking for, right? And it'll be right there, easy peasy. So the easier you make it, the easier people can find it, easier people can become your client. All right, so another good reason to be in that Google 3-pack. That Google 3-pack connects with your Google Maps. So if it connects with your Google Maps, what can they do? They can put it right in their GPS and go right on over to your spot. Easy peasy. Like I said, the easier that you make it for your clients to get to you, your clients can get to you, right? So that's awesome. You want to make it easy peasy for them. Next. They also have a call now feature you can put in there. So not only can they just plug it into your phone and drive there, they can say, you know what, let me just give a call real quick. You can hit it right there on your phone because most users are using their phone anyway, and then it's going to call right to your business. Instant lead right there. Or it could even be a customer because they saw everything that they needed to be able to vouch for you. Now, another reason why it's really important to be in that Google 3-pack is because it's based upon your location. So that Google 3-pack could change. It can rotate. You can rotate who's going to be in that Google 3-pack. But if you get in that spot and they click that link, it's going to remember that. So next time that person is looking for it, you could pop up again. But it all takes doing the right things to get in that Google 3-pack in the first place. All right, so today, what I have here for you guys is a Success Center Express trial, 30 days. In this 30-day trial, it is a version of how we can use this software to get you ranked in a Google 3-pack. In getting ranked in a Google 3-pack, you must follow some tips here. And these tools here will help you do that. So click the link, jump on my calendar. What I'll do is give you these tools for 30 days for free, okay? A trial, all right? Zero cost. I will have them there for you, and I will teach you how to maximize them so you can even see some results in those 30 days. But it's going to begin the process of getting you ranked in the Google 3-pack and then moving your rankings, or getting ranked on Google and moving your rankings up. And a little bonus feature here, don't forget, to be ranked on Google, you have to have a Google My Business page. You can't be ranked without a Google My Business page, okay? So we'll handle that too. But nonetheless, jump on my calendar, click the link, jump on my calendar, start your trial, get found, make more. Just that simple, guys. All right. This is Brian. I'm checking out. You guys have a good one now.